My name's Andrew. I'm the designer and creator of Pipelounge. Pipelounge came about after a project we did interstate. Our boys needed to use a particular product that was a one pipe, one bracket type situation, and they came back with nothing but negative feedback. Well, for 35 years we've been installing refrigeration pipe, installing it in a conventional way. After this particular project we thought, you know what, we can maybe improve on this, and we've come up with the Pipelounge. Well, the design is quite interesting. We've got tabs here, here, and a hole in the centre, just basically for your choice of how you want to hang this from the soffit. It also has the channel here on the bottom for the strut. It takes away an element of the installation, meaning the metal substrate. It's a bracket that does multiple pipes. Whilst cushioning the insulation, it's quite modular. It clips together to give you a more span of the service. It can be stacked. It really has a multitude of uses. Our sizes come from a mini version, which is our most popular, but we start then from a 150 right up to a 600. We're actually producing a 200, 300, 400 and a 500 in between, but we also have a 50mm increment as a custom order. Well, Pipelounge is made of an ABS polymer. We chose ABS. We thought it would be the most appropriate for what we're doing. We've also added a fire retardancy into that polymer, which gives us an extra layer of safety. Another great thing is it's 100% recyclable. There's always been a need for running multiple pipe in buildings, whether they're residential, commercial, industrial, infrastructure. It's always been out there. It's just no one's ever done it, no one's ever come up with it. Originally we designed and manufactured this for ourselves in-house. 9 months in, and we're getting a lot of comments, people walking by, raising an eyebrow, rubbing a chin, asking where can we get a Pipelounge, and here we are. Our boys are coming back day in, day out with nothing but good feedback. It helps them get their service up in the air much quicker. It's saving time, and it's obviously saving money.
Pipelounge does make things more efficient, for sure. It does go together more quickly. The ability to install the Pipelounge directly to the rod without the need of having a uni-strut mounted on the underside, it saves us time on site. We're not cutting uni-strut. The ability to put a multitude of pipes on one bracket, that's the biggest thing, I think. So they do clip together. You've got different sizes. So, you know, I haven't had a situation that I wasn't able to use Pipelounge.
We've started using it quite a bit, trialling them out, and yeah, I think it's a great idea. On the older designs that you bought from the suppliers, it was one pipe, one bracket, spread out over a uni-strut at 1 metre, and if you imagine 10 of those, it's almost 10 times the cost for the same amount of pipes. But with the Pipelounge, you can choose from a small size to a large size, and you can just put an order through. You can order as many as you want, and it just saves a lot of time, a lot of money, and it looks better.